Mare. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health and infinite happiness. I'll see you soon. I love you. I miss you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday, Ate Jeng! Advance happy birthday! We love you! Thank you po sa lahat ng love and concern mo sa amin ni Celeste. Thank you kasi kahit malayo ka, nararamdaman namin yung love mo sa amin. Bye-bye na! Bye-bye na! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! I love you, Ate Jeng! We love you! Kiss na kay Celeste! Mwah! 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 Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Hi sis! Surprise, surprise! Don't worry, ako din na-surprise dahil sobrang aga nitong birthday greetings ko for you. Anyways, let me just greet you in advance. Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo, sana lagi kayong nasa mabuting kalagayan, may maayos na kalusugan at malayo sa anumang sakit. I hope to see you soon. I will talk to you soon. And forgive me if sometimes hindi agad-agad ako nakaka-reply sa text messages mo. Dahil minsan akala ko naka-reply na ako, yun pala hindi pa. The reality is hitting me. So we're in this together and I hope you understand me. Enjoy your day. Have a great one and send my regards to your family, to Alpha and to my inaanak Andre, and enjoy your day. I miss you all and I love you. Bye-bye!
Hi Mars! Super advance! Happy birthday! Thank you rin kay Jeannie for asking me to make this video. Anyway Mars, I hope you're having a great time sa Philippines. And I miss you, lalo yung mga food trip natin sa Singapore, lunch breaks natin together every day, mga chika moments natin, mga chismisa natin, na-miss ko lahat yon. I hope you're having a great time, and Mars, I pray and I wish for always good career, good health sa iyo and sa family mo. Hope to see you again soon. I love you, Mars, and enjoy. Mwah.
Hi, Sis Jeng. First of all, excuse my haggard face. Day off ni Inday. So, DH tayo today. Anyway, gusto ko lang sabihin, sis, is maraming salamat. Kasi, since grade 1, alam mo yan, up to now, you are my safe place. Even at my lowest, sis, yung presence mo lang and yung words of encourages mo, nabuboost ako to move on. And, alam mo sis, you are a blessing to so many people. Hindi lang sa akin, hindi lang sa Ocho, pati sa lahat ng taong nakapaligid sa'yo. So, I'm very proud to say na, hoy, friend ko yan. I know I have shortcomings, hindi ako nagre-reply masyado or late mag-reply or nagsisin lang ako, but that doesn't mean na hindi ko kayo naaalala. Please know that you're always in my prayers and lagi kong pinagpipray yung good health. Sana bigyan pa tayo ni Lord ng mahabang panahon. Happiness, of course, and success na you really deserve. And I'm always praying to the Lord na i-bless ka pa niya 1,000 folds kasi deserve mo yun. And I know that God blesses a cheerful giver and ikaw yun. I'm really grateful to the Lord na in this lifetime, binigay ka niya at ang 8. I'm really grateful that the Lord have given me the chance to live this life with you. It makes this life more meaningful and more cheerful dahil sa inyo. So, maraming salamat. Ang wish ko lang, sis, is, ayun nga, more blessings, more happiness, more success, and may the Lord always gives the desires of your heart because you deserve it. I love you, sis. See you soon. Bisitahin mo naman ako dito, sis. Para dito tayo magchikahan kahit 24 hours. Kahit 1 month ka dito, sis. Ako nang bahala. Bisita lang kayo, okay? Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Jay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mami. Salamat sa mga sacrifices mo sa amin ni Andre. Love you.